Hello everyone, my name is Rahul Kumar Yadav. I am from Bihar. Currently I live in Ghaziabad and I have completed my B.C.A from Galgotias University. After that I am looking for job in IT sector and then I know about Evision Technoserve from my friend. I had joined Evision on 2025 and completed my course on and training on July 2025. In Evision I know about some technology like virtualization, basic networking and window administrator and server and also know about ITIL. And after that I placed in Technosoft Services Pvt Ltd at the position of operation engineer. And I want to say thank you all Evision team and especially some faculty like Prasanjit sir, Rahul Das sir and Apurva sir and my recruiter is Samni ma'am. Also thank you and thank you all Evision team. Hello everyone.